Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel TechChimp. Today I'm going to teach you how to check battery health report of your laptop. So let's start. First of all, click on search button and search CMD. Run CMD as administrator. Here type this command: power cfg / battery report. You can see the battery report has been saved into this given path. Copy this path and open Google Chrome. Paste it into address bar and click enter. It will open full battery report into browser. Scroll down and you will see battery usage details. You can check battery stats, duration, usage history, and battery capacity history. Battery life estimates will tell you about your battery life. So guys, you can also check your battery health report like this. If you like this video, click like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you.